Hey y'all, it's Teaching with Sierra's After Hours. I ran inside real quick while my daughter is outside at soccer practice. And what I wanted to share with you guys is simply how I do my small groups. So I have 4 chairs over here, and I keep a check on like my daily things. So I have 4 groups. I keep check on the words that they do know, the words that they don't know. I also create different worksheets that are going to help them to learn the sight words, I should say. So what I really need to do is run up and make about 20 copies of this. And then I also just need to stuff the stuff inside of my folders for next week. With that being said, my daughter is outside at soccer just roughly until 6:30. So group 1 is working on C, U, and. So all they have is I, A, the, and C. So we're just like simply working on that. And then group 2 is going to be working on a total of like 7 or 8 words because they didn't really get all of the words. So we're working on am, and, it, you, she, did, with. What they do is write these Monday through Wednesday, or if like there's a day I miss, we'll come back to it. And then at the end of the week, I just check it off and assess them. And then of course I create packets like this where it has all of the words inside of it. And then I just stick it in their folders. When we're done at the end of the week, I'll assess and just mark off that, you know, they know the words or they don't know the words, and go from there. So group 3's words I need to do really quickly. I'm not sure exactly where that went to. I think all of their words are right here. So group 3 is doing up, but, look, him, and for. And then I just made like extra copies of it. That way I can put these with what needs to go with. So yes, I do have access to work after hours, and that is only because we still have like after school going up until we have after school going on until 6. So that's the best part. That's the best part about that. So my next group, okay, that's exactly what that was. My group for group 3 is going to start on up, but, look, him, and for. And then my other group is going to, my highest group is going to start some other ones as well. So they're going to start like her, they, get, or, and from. I just have to put those, I'm putting those towards the back. And then I'm trying to think of who's, okay, so as, that, when, and said is what group 4 is going to work on after we get through these words this week. And then and, me, he, she is what group 2 is going to work on. So yeah, I'm going to go make that copy like I need to, and then I'm going to go from there and go back outside. That was all I really wanted to come in here and get done. So like everything still works after hours for sure. Let's just start here. So I'm doing 20 copies of this. I just made this through Google Docs. The way that I created this game is they're gonna grab one set of cards first, and they can roll a dice. If they roll on 2, they need to write it in red, and then you can do like rainbow writing or just use pencil. It's totally up to them, but at least I have that there. I've also pulled out some, I have these roll and read games that I've created through Google Docs. They don't clean up very well with anything, so it's up to us to put it back. Then I also made a spring packet that I have here. It has like some spring color by letters, the letters, and then color by sight words. And then there is also the word sort. And then there's also the long A CVC words. Other than that, I do need to cut these out so that I can make these into dice for this game, which will come soon. I do have some things that need to be done, but those type of things are for using the thing. So it's gonna bind the book. Anyways, I also have this that I need to take home and cut out, so I'll throw that in my bag.